Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to refund an order on Shopify in 2026. If a customer requests a refund or something goes wrong with an order, this is how you handle it step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to manage orders. Now from the left-hand menu, click on Orders. This will show you a list of all customer purchases. Next, click on the specific order you want to refund. This will open the full order details page. Now scroll down until you see the refund option. Click on it to start the refund process. Next, select the items you want to refund. You can refund full order or only specific products depending on the situation. After that, enter the refund amount if needed. Shopify may auto-calculate it, but you can adjust it manually. Now choose whether you want to restock the items back into your inventory. This is optional but useful for stock management. Next, add a reason for the refund if required. This helps keep your order records organized. Finally, click Refund to confirm. The money will be returned to the customer based on their original payment method. And that's it. Your Shopify order has been successfully refunded. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.